Good coconut oil. This is good oil, baby. Chickpeas. Coconut milk. Little potatoes. Onion. 1 onion. Grouper. A good season. You know what?
Business things. Business things. Business things. Business things. Business things. Business things. Say business things. Business things. Business things. Business things. Business.
What it is, y'all? It's your boy Lando, and I am Lando. Check me out. So, as you guys know, I'm in a hotel. You see it, hotel. So, I'm out of town a lot. And one thing about being out of town is what I tend to find hard, or what's easier to do is buy fast food, the unhealthy food. So, right, what I do, I said, nah, Lando, you gotta cut that out. So I found a little pot. Little electric pot. One of my coworkers told me about it, so yeah, that's what I'm doing. Y'all gonna cook with me today. The hotel chef. That's my new name, hotel chef. Hold on. All right, y'all. I gotta go back to the truck. I gotta go get my. I left some of my stuff in the truck. I thought I was ready to throw down. The elevator show is taking forever. Thought I was ready. Oh, you know we got green on. Green. Oh yeah, go mode. So I was ready to cook, but I left some of the stuff in the truck. Oh man, it's a quick little vlog. It's not a long video. There she go, y'all. About to get this bag. All right, y'all. This is what we have on the menu today. A little grouper. You know, we're gonna handle it like that. We're gonna handle it like that. So, we got here good coconut oil. This is good oil, baby. Chickpeas. Coconut milk, little potatoes, onion, 1 onion, grouper, a good season. You know I go already, man. I'm Jamaican, so you have to make sure your food well seasoned. What we got here, a little curry. Yes, sir. It's either cayenne pepper. I think they get this cayenne pepper. This paprika, a little bit of minced onion. Then this garlic, and I got some salt in here too, you know. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, we about to eat good, guys. We about to eat good. Don't worry. All you gotta do, what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna mix this up. Mix this up now. Hold on, I gotta find a way to place this camera. Hold on. Hold up, y'all. I don't see what's going on. I don't see what's going on. Don't worry. Chef Lando is here to save the day. Hotel Chronicle, don't sleep on it. You know, look like what it's supposed to look like, but we're taking done with it. Yeah. Hotel, not limited, you know, I'm limited by something. You have to just let it go on. Yeah. Don't sleep. Potatoes, onions, this thing about stuff. Turkey, boy. Stop playing with me now. One dome, everything in it. When they want to put Put some dumpling in this. Alright? If I was home, I'd drop some dumpling in here. But I ain't home. I ain't popping now. Alright, y'all. Finally done. I've been sampling like crazy. I had to make some potatoes super soft. All my sweet potatoes be soft enough to do nothing. But we done. Alright? That's it, y'all. Nah, most of the fish missed because I've been sampling like crazy fish right now. Yo, about to go in, y'all. I'm about to go in. Hold on. Fuck up. Hey, man. This thing is hot, though. I'm hungry. Hey, man. Chef Lando, man, let me tell you something. I made this up. When I say it wasn't the right curry, if y'all real Jamaican, you understand when I say it wasn't the right curry. Well, once y'all chef had to put some little get in the lab as a chemist and mix some stuff up and make it right. Not hit. But next time I cook curry, I'm gonna have the real curry, the real deal. I made it happen though. It's good. Fish tastes good. So potato. We was cooking this long because the potato, I make some potatoes to cook. Oh, potato soft. Soft potato. Oh. Hot. Chickpeas well seasoned. Yes, sir. Good right here. That ain't pretty much done. Thing was good now. This thing was good. Ladies, get you a man that can cook for you. Not me though, 'cause I'm married. What's up? That's my new name, y'all. The Hotel Chef. I'm gonna put some things together. And you gonna like it. Sometimes you gonna look good, sometimes it ain't gonna look good. This vibe, shout out to all my truckers. Sometimes you get you one of these for the truckers. This will work for you, trust me. That's it, y'all. I know the lighting in here is horrible. Let me see if I can get a better lighting. It's horrible. I'm in a hotel though. But look, I might make this a series of some hotel chef. But look, the food was good, man. I'm on my second plate, by the way. Second plate by myself. I gotta finish it. So yeah, make sure you subscribe, like, and share, man. Appreciate y'all for watching, man. Lando, man. Hey, look, I tap into these quick meals, man. Look, I just made this. This is like a 15-minute meal. If you know what you're doing. Hotel Chef, Hotel Chef Lando. Tap in, y'all. Appreciate y'all for watching, like, share, and subscribe.